Hi, I'm excited to tell you about our Wide-Creepage package option for our InnoSwitch3-AQ flyback switcher IC family. This InSwitch3-AQ package is a result of closely listening to our customers' feedback and gaining valuable insights into the evolving needs of automotive industries. This IC is intended for automotive applications such as battery management systems, micro DC-DC converters, and emergency power supplies in the main traction inverter. This package provides a wide drain-to-source pin creepage distance of 5.1 mm and an extended creepage distance for the forward to the out pin. With this, we eliminate the need for conformal coating in automotive pollution degree 2 environments, while meeting the IEC 60664 standard for 800-volt vehicle systems. Taking a closer look at the pins of this package, especially at the drain pin here in this corner, for this pin, we significantly increased the total width, and the overall package has been engineered to have an increased total thickness. These two modifications were implemented to reinforce the package capability to withstand the harsh shock and vibration conditions specified in automotive environments, and these improvements make it particularly well suited for demanding applications such as e-axle systems. So, are you ready to advance your design? This package is built to withstand the harshest automotive environments and brings the durability and performance that you can count on. To learn more about our InnoSwitch3-AQ, please visit power.com.